When you search for the best air fryers for small apartments, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, and it's hard to figure out what actually works. But trust me, the real differences are hidden deeper, and I'm here to uncover them.
Product number 1, Chefman Too Cute Mini Air Fryer. Priced at $42.48, this compact air fryer caught my attention because of its digital interface and space-saving design. If you want quick and easy meals without cluttering your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It cooks food up to 3 times faster than a traditional oven, which is perfect if you're juggling a busy lifestyle or living in a small space. The 2-quart capacity is just right for 1 or 2 people, and the digital timer lets you customize cooking time and temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it has a shake reminder feature that notifies you halfway through cooking, ensuring crispy results every time. With over 6,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving this. Now, some people complained about the noise level when it's in operation. Here's the thing though, while it is a bit louder than some might expect, I found it manageable, especially compared to the benefits it offers in terms of speed and convenience. This is perfect for you if you're living alone or cooking for 1 or 2 people. Skip this one if you often prepare meals for larger groups. At this price, it really offers solid value for your money. Now, if the small capacity of the Chefman Mini Air Fryer bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Chefman 4QT Compact Air Fryer. This one is a step up in size, and while the price isn't listed, it's often found around a budget-friendly mark. What really caught my eye is its high fry technology, which promises extra crispy results. If you want to enjoy healthier, delicious meals without the fuss, this is definitely worth considering. Why does this matter to you? Well, that 450 degree Fahrenheit high fry technology is your ticket to perfectly crispy fries and chicken tenders without the guilt of excess oil. It has a digital touchscreen with 4 presets, making it incredibly user-friendly, especially for quick one-touch meals. We're talking about a 4-quart capacity, ideal for 2 to 4 servings, making it perfect for small families or dinner parties. And with that sleek design, it won't take up much room on your countertop. However, some users pointed out that it can take a bit longer to preheat compared to other models. But honestly, once you get past that, the end results are fantastic and well worth any initial wait. This air fryer is perfect for small families or anyone who enjoys hosting. Skip this if you need a more compact option for solo cooking. Given its features, it's a great value for families. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love multifunctionality.
Product number 3, Instant Pot 6QT Vortex Plus Air Fryer. This one generally goes for a competitive price, and it's packed with features that really caught my attention, especially being a 6-in-1 appliance. If you want to maximize your cooking potential in a small apartment, this is definitely worth a closer look. So, here's why this is a great choice for you. It combines air frying, baking, roasting, and more, all in one appliance. You can adjust the temperature from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you have control over how crispy or gooey you want your meals. With 1,700 watts of power, it's capable of handling larger portions up to 6 servings, making it suitable for families or meal prepping. Plus, the Even Crisp technology ensures you're getting that perfect crunch with 95% less oil than traditional frying methods. Now, the downside. It can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Some users mentioned it takes up more counter space than they'd like. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for versatility, that space may be worth it. This is perfect for families or meal prep enthusiasts. Skip this if you're tight on kitchen space and just need something simple. Considering what it offers, it's a good investment for anyone wanting a multi-cooker. Now, if you love the idea of multifunctionality but want something a bit smaller, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Instant Pot 4QT Vortex Plus Mini Air Fryer. Another gem from Instant Pot, the 4QT Vortex Plus Mini Air Fryer. Generally priced around $69.99, this is another versatile option that caught my eye due to its compact size and multi-cooking features. If you want a smaller air fryer that doesn't compromise on performance, this one deserves your attention. Let's talk about what makes this one special. It still boasts 6 cooking functions, air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat. And the adjustable temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees F gives you a lot of flexibility. It handles up to 4 servings, which is perfect for singles or small families. The Even Crisp technology ensures you get that crispy finish while using significantly less oil. However, some users found the touchscreen a bit sensitive, which can lead to accidental presses. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, it's really easy to navigate, and the cooking results are definitely worth it. This is perfect for those who live alone or with a partner. Skip this one if you regularly cook large meals for guests. It's a solid value, especially for its range of features in a compact size. Now, if you're interested in a unique design that really stands out, let's talk about the next one.
Product number 5, Bella 4 Cute Slim Air Fryer. This one has been flying off the shelves, and while the price isn't listed, it usually sits in an affordable range. The sleek, space-saving design really caught my eye. If you want an air fryer that blends style and function, this might be your match. Here's why it's a great fit. The slim profile saves counter space while still providing a generous forecourt capacity, perfect for cooking family-sized meals. With 6 preset cooking options and a ceramic nonstick coating, cleanup is a breeze, which is a huge plus for busy lifestyles. Plus, it operates at 1300 watts, providing efficient cooking without compromising on quality. On the flip side, some users mention that the ceramic coating can wear off over time. Honestly, if you take care of it, I found it performs well, and the ease of cleaning makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for those who want a stylish appliance that doesn't take up too much room. Skip this if you prefer traditional nonstick surfaces. For what you get, it's an excellent value for an eye-catching kitchen gadget.
To wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic air fryers for small apartments. The Chefman 2Cute Mini is great for solo cooks, while the larger Chefman 4QT is perfect for small families. The Instant Pot 6QT Vortex offers versatility, and the 4QT Mini keeps things compact but capable. Finally, the Bella 4QT Slim is stylish and functional. Whatever your needs, there's an option here for you.